Dear learners, welcome. The world around us is made up of tiny units of matter called atoms. How these atoms are joined together to form substances. They form stable chemical substances by means of a chemical bond. A chemical bond is the force of attraction that holds atoms or ions together in a molecule. The major four types of chemical bonds are covalent, ionic, metallic and hydrogen bond. Today let us learn about covalent bond with examples. A covalent bond is a chemical bond that involves the mutual sharing of electron pairs between atoms. These electron pairs are known as shared pairs or bonding pairs. This type of bonding occurs between two same elements or different elements. Usually each atom contributes one electron to form a pair of electrons that are shared by both atoms. They have stable balance of attractive and repulsive forces between atoms. Atoms will covalently bond with each other atoms in order to gain more stability. The stability attains as outermost shell of an atom has a complete octet or duplet in case of hydrogen, namely noble gas configuration. There are two types of covalent bond. One is non-polar covalent bond, another one is polar covalent bond. Non-polar covalent bond. If a bond formed between two like atoms, then it is known as non-polar covalent bond. Since difference of electronegativity is zero, therefore both atoms attract electron pair equally and no charge appears on any atom and the whole molecule becomes neutral. Example: hydrogen, nitrogen, fluorine and chlorine molecules. Polar covalent bond. A covalent bond formed between two different atoms is known as polar covalent bond. Example: HF and HCl. Let us discuss some examples. Consider the formation of hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen atom has one electron in its valence shell and its atomic number is 1. Now, to be a stable molecule, it needs to complete its duplet state. Another hydrogen atom has one electron in its valence shell. These two hydrogen atoms share their electrons to form a stable molecule H2 by means of a covalent bond. This is an example for non-polar covalent bond. Another example is the formation of nitrogen molecule. The nitrogen atom has 5 electrons in its valence shell. It needs another 3 electrons to complete its octet. A nitrogen atom can fill its octet by sharing 3 electrons with another nitrogen atom, forming 3 covalent bonds, a so-called triple bond. The remaining 2 electrons on nitrogen atom are called unshared pair or non-bonded or lone pair of electrons. Let us consider another example, the formation of methane. The carbon atom has 4 electrons in its valence shell. In order to complete its octet, carbon atom requires another 4 electrons. The hydrogen atom has 1 electron in its valence shell. 4 hydrogen atom shares 1 electron each with carbon atom to form a 4 covalent bond. This way carbon now has a complete octet and all 4 hydrogen atoms have a complete duplet. Let us consider the formation of HCl. Hydrogen requires 1 electron to complete its duplet and chlorine atom requires 1 electron to complete its octet. When a covalent bond is formed between two different elements like hydrogen and chlorine, it is polar in nature because chlorine is more electronegative than hydrogen atom. Therefore, electron cloud is shifted towards chlorine atom. Due to this reason, a partial negative charge appeared on chlorine atom and a positive charge on hydrogen atom. This is an example for polar covalent bond. Some other examples of covalent bond are iodine, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, phosphorus trichloride and water molecules. In this session, we have learnt what is a covalent bond, types of covalent bond, the formation of covalent bond with examples. Thank you for listening.